You're better at cooking than you think, and most recipes are a fucking waste of time. I'll show you a quick example. Veg or meat, we're gonna add some spice, some aromatics, salt, fat, acid, crunch. So veg or meat, I'm gonna go with, why'd I pick okra? I've actually cooked okra 3 times in my life. I just started trying to cook it. I find it more interesting. You can go with any vegetable. You can go asparagus, potatoes, whatever. You can go chicken, lamb, doesn't matter. Spices, I'm just gonna pick a random assortment. I'm going with cumin, coriander, turmeric, or however you spell it. Anything you goes here, paprika, caraway, fenugreek, whatever, chili peppers, it doesn't matter. Go with any spices. Aromatics, these are typically gonna be your onions and your garlic. They can be shallots. Salt, fat, we're gonna go with coconut. Acid, we're gonna go lime. And crunch, I'm gonna go with nuts in the form of cashews. So I'm gonna put together this dish right now. Now, did I measure any of those ingredients? Absolutely not. Does it matter what amount you put in? Absolutely not. You can put in 4 tablespoons of spices, 2 tablespoons of spices, 6 tablespoons of spices. You can put in half a can of coconut milk, a whole can of coconut milk. It does not matter. Somewhere in the world, someone's put together the combination of foods and ingredients that you're putting into a bowl, and they call it some form of dish they make in that country. I guarantee it. The only places you can get a little too weird is if you put too much salt in. The point is, if you hit all those balanced elements, the dish is just gonna taste good. And what I'm trying to tell you here is stop focusing on following a recipe and stop focusing on worrying and more freestyling. You'll learn way more, cooking becomes way more fun, and you can just use things that you have in your pantry and get rid of it, which takes inventory that you've bought and turns it into food as opposed to having just money sitting in your cupboards. Thank you.